Hello students of Standard 8. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic of your English practice book, subject verb agreement. Dear students, let us quickly recapitulate what we studied in our previous session. Then the subject consists of two or more nouns or pronouns and it is joined by and. A plural verb is used. However, if the noun or pronoun refers to the same person or thing, a singular verb is used. Words such as neither, either, each, everyone, one of, the, much, little, less generally takes singular verbs. Some other words can refer to amount, quantity as well as number. When these words refer to amount, quantity, they take a singular verb. When these words refer to number, they take a plural verb. Some such words are none, a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of and most of. Let us start with the new worksheet 4. Read the following. The engineer as well as his two subordinates was present in the site. Second, Anshu as well as the other members of her family is shifting to Mumbai. I as well as Swati am going for a picnic. The doctor with his interns has reached the operation theatre. Fifth, the child with his parents is waiting outside the principal's office. Let us see what is written. When the subject of a sentence consists of two nouns or pronouns, they are joined by as well as or with. The verb agrees with the first noun. Dear students, remember, when the subject of a sentence consists of two nouns or pronouns that are joined by as well as and with, as well as and with, then the verb agrees with the first noun. For example, the first noun is the engineer, therefore was is used. In second, Anshu, therefore is used. I, we all know that. What is coming with I? Am. The doctor again has, and the child is. Now let us study some more examples. The teacher as well as her students is sitting in the class. Here, teacher is the first noun, her students are second noun. So here, teacher is singular, therefore is will come. Next, Richa with her friends wants to participate in the quiz. Here in this sentence, Richa is the first noun, her friends are the second noun. But as it is said that verb will agree with noun first, therefore what will come? Want. Here want will not come. Here what will come? Want. Now look at the following example. Not only Ravi but his friends also are coming to the party. His friends. For his friends we have used are. Not only the Arora family, but I also am coming to party. What will come with I? Am. Either you or Seema is going to clean the room. With Seema what will come? Is. Neither Seema nor you are going out tonight. With you we are using are. Remember, dear students, when the two subjects of a sentence are joined by not only but also either or neither or, the verb agrees with the later subject, means with the second subject. Okay. Now let us study some more examples. Not only your certificate but your marks also are important. Your certificate is first subject and your marks is second subject. So marks is plural. Therefore what will come? Are. Either your friend or I am going to buy this book. My friend is first subject and I is second subject. So what will come with I? Am. Neither Ritu nor her friend are willing to participate. Ritu is first subject. Her friend is second subject. So her friend is in plural. Therefore what will come? Are. Now take the correct option in the following sentences. Mr. Chopra as well as his subordinates have or has been working for more than 10 hours a day. We have already studied that when the subject of a sentence consists with two or more pronouns or noun, they are joined by as well as or with the verb agrees with first noun. So Mr. Chopra is the first noun. So what will come? Has. Has is the correct answer. Let us see the second sentence. Not only his parents but his aunt also supports his decision. So what we have seen, when the two subjects of a sentence are joined by not only but also, either or neither or, the subject verb agrees with letter verb. So not only his parents but his aunt. So for aunt what will come? Supports his decision. In this way, dear students, you have to solve the remaining exercise. Now let's move towards worksheet number 5. Let us read the following examples. Physics is considered to be a tough subject. Billiards is fast becoming popular amongst youngsters. The people of the locality are protesting against frequent power cuts. The cattle were driven to the farm. Remember, dear students, some nouns are plural in form but singular in meaning. We use singular verbs with such nouns. Example: mathematics, statistics, measles, physics, billiards, etc. Just in example first and second. Some nouns are singular in form but plural in meaning. Let us see sentence number 3 and 4 above. The people, the cattle. We use plural verb with such nouns. For example, for people we have used are and for cattle we have used were. You can see here a chart that tells that noun generally takes a singular verb. For example, class of nouns, a pair of, weight, measure, amount, time and distance. Collective nouns, cutlery, stationery, food and furniture. These are class nouns. Let us see some examples of this. The stationery was available at a cheap price at the store. The new furniture is pretty expensive. Now for pair of. My new pair of socks is very tight. Be careful, this pair of scissors is very sharp. For weight, measure, amount, time and distance, 5 years is a pretty long time. 10 kilos of milk was consumed in just one day. 100 rupees is not a big amount for him. Only 1/4 of the total police force was deployed in the area. For collective nouns, the crowd looks quite pleased with the magician's performance. However, Let us read the following sentences. My new pair of socks is very tight. My socks are very tight. When we are saying pair of socks, we use is, and when we are simply saying socks, we have to use are. If we deleted a pair of socks, socks is seen as simple plural and thus it takes a plural verb. Now let us read the following examples. The team has chalked out a strategy to defeat the opponent. The team were divided on the playing strategy. Remember, dear students, we use a singular verb when we think of collective noun as a whole. When we think about the members of the collective noun individually, then we use plural verb. Dear students, here are some exercises for you to solve. Let us see the first. Fill in the blanks with correct words. People in the carnival dash wearing all kinds of fancy dresses. So people is plural. Therefore, we will use here were. In the same way, dear students, you have to fill in the blanks, the remaining one. Next is do it yourself. Fill in the blanks with is, are, am, has or have. Solve the remaining exercise. Here we end our today's session. Have a nice day. Thank you.